अच्छा जासून टर्की चल लिया वी आ गेटा
Hindustani hath se ajanda
okay haydi bakalım Mehmet Akkallı yalla baba yalla okay
استني
واي يلا عبيد يلا عبيد ميكس
جزء عالي
اوكي برو يلا
ما شاء الله بس بيها يلا
No, I'm
Come
good.
here.
No.
Attack come here يلا ablacığım tek please wow yalla welcome to India lelo al bakalım yalla hoppala yalla thank you so much
When your legs literally give up and you sit down. But oh my god, it's so nice here, and the shusters are legit. I saw them and I got the guy's contact number, and hopefully like we'll get in touch and hopefully I can get some shusters. But the shusters are so nice. Like he was surprised that I knew how to use a guitar. He looked at me and he was like, oh my god, and he put his boss over and he was like, look at this, look at what she's doing, and I'm like, this is how it's been used. And then he was like, oh wow, he said you should get one, and he said I'll give you a discount. And I was like, but like we didn't have enough money because we didn't bring enough with us, so well we got got his phone number, so I might post some over if we end up buying them. But they were so nice, so I'm legit in love. Yeah. So Jyoti's getting chips and my feet are killing me. And then we bought my mum a shawl. But like I really liked it, so I bought it. Yeah. So it's really loud, so I don't know how well you can hear me, but people are so nice here, it's like crazy. And I met the nicest person on the bus. She was from Egypt, and like we had a really nice conversation on the bus. So yeah.
Chips, hot chips.
Nice.
Very nice. बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया. So you could try. Oily है थोड़ी सी, पर स्वाद बहुत है.
बहुत स्वाद है. Oh yeah, there's just some Arab singer. Let me know in the comments if you know who it is, because like I was clueless, but clearly she has a lot of fans. So yeah. Yum. No. Oh my god, Jyoti. Nakla. Chili?
Yeah, let's go to India. बेचारी आप देख रहे हो मान से अपना बैग खोल के देता है. ज़्यादा डूंगा नहीं हैगा और वो खाली रंग नीला किता करके नीला रंग लगा रहा है.
कितना नीला किता?
पानी और इसको पता लगा. When I go to India, but not outside, on the airport. Look around from the plane.
Yeah, we have a lot of Indian there. Most of foreign people from India.
Yeah.
And you are favored by your peer.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. You don't shave anything.
We're gonna get my mum to buy this for me one day.
ये देखिए सर, बढ़िया चीज़ है. बैकलिस्ट बैठ के देखिए.
पाकिस्तानी देखा है जो लंदन में या इंग्लैंड इधर उधर जो रहता है, जब इधर आते हैं तो उनके बच्चे अपनी ज़बान नहीं सीखते, तो उसको मालूम ही नहीं होता हिंदी उर्दू.
वहाँ पे रहते हैं, वहाँ का तो जरूरी आना होता है, आना चाहिए.
Guys, we made it. Legit. I think I've zoomed in. Yeah, we made it. It's, what's the time? 1:41. We didn't think we would. Basically what happens is we got the bus. We had to wait 40 minutes for the bus. And then when we got off the bus, we realised that the metro is closed. So we had no metro. But what we ended up doing is we got a taxi. The driver was so nice, like genuinely, like the conversation was pretty good. And then Then what do we do? Yeah, and then got a taxi. Luckily, it didn't even cost us that much. Like, we were expecting it to be like 70 dirhams or something, but it turns out to be less than 30. So, you know, and we got it, and we got the train straight from Global Village. No, ignore that. We got the bus from Global Village to Mall of Emirates, and then we were supposed to get a train, but the train, obviously the trains were closed, so we got the taxi from here to the hotel. So it turned out pretty well, and there was no traffic, so you know.
Who wants to visit is the ticket. Who wants to visit Global Village?
It's actually so good. Like, you got everything there, and you can experience like, everyone's religions and like cultures and everything, and legit, right?
Furniture.
Oh, the furniture was so nice, and like
Daggers,
everything, legit, and it was like such a good experience. I think it's something that everyone should do. Like, generally, just if you ever come here, definitely go there. Just for the food, if you want, go there. But no, like people there are so nice. Like, we've spoken to I don't know how many strangers since we've been here, but they're all so nice. Like, I haven't met anyone rude. The only rude people I've met is like up and eight, which isn't like rude, like they haven't offended me, but it's like they can't even say hi. You know, that's like that welcoming factor. Like, every other country I've been to, like people, like even if they don't know you, they just say hi and walk past, but people here don't seem to do that. So it's mainly like our people that don't do that. Like, and then plus it doesn't feel like we're in Dubai because there's so many different cultures here, and it's like the other day we were helping, like yesterday we were trying to help this Spanish family out, and she was speaking to me in Spanish and I was talking to her in English, but we still managed to communicate where she wanted to go. So it was just, it's that nice seeing stuff like that. But now we are like exhausted because we have to get up tomorrow and we have to be ready, like eaten, dressed, everything like done and dusted. So we have to get up at like before 6? No, before 7.
Before 7.
Before 7, because that gives us an hour to like do anything that we need to do, like a whole hour to dress, whatever, and do our part and all that, and then it gives us like half an hour to eat and be ready for the transport that's coming. So it's just a whole blur for us right now, and we've got like a few hours of sleep. Now we're gonna shower, we're gonna legit just dive into our beds, and he's making pot noodles for himself because we couldn't find anything to eat last minute, and it was just a whole nightmare. My feet were hurting. They're better now, but they were hurting, so we decided busy day tomorrow. Hopefully we can chill tomorrow when we come back from the tour. But yeah,
in Global Village there is many things to eat. She didn't allow me to eat because she wanted to eat some delicious food in less money, and now I am angry with her. She's gonna make me dinner.
He's mean. Right, okay, I'm going, and good night, guys.
Otherwise she's going to sleep out there on that sofa.
Okay, we understand that you hate me right now, but I want to sleep.
I'm serious.
Okay, legit, guys, good night, and I'm going to see you tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. So, bye!
Bye.